Yet again, working on another one in Kawasaki's. But you know what? Hey guys, PV2 Smurf here. Today we're going to be working on putting us a grill insert inside a 2020 Kawasaki KRX. It's a KRX model, it's brand new, so this is kind of new. I wanted to be the first one to kind of show you guys how this actual rig works. So I'm going to show you how to remove the insert for the grill. So these are the tools you're going to need to do this job. Specifically a set of drill bits. This will depend on the application that you use. The center punch is a must-have per se. It makes the job a lot easier. You also want to use the 10 millimeter that I have here, and the Allen wrench will differ on your application depending on your powder coated grill insert. These are the only tools you will need for this job. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Now when you're looking at the front of this grill right here, this thing comes out very easily. We have to have it out, and I'll show you why we have to have it out. There's a tab located here that pushes down. There's one right here that pushes down, and when you push those down, it'll come out just like this. So you want to pull the top out, and once you do that, you should be able to just finagle this right out. As you can see on the bottom right here, there's tabs. Those tabs line up and locate and go with the bottom. They sit down in. There's one here on this side. There's one on that side and one on the right side, as you can see here. So set the bottom in first, push it back and snap it in. Alright, so here's your grill insert as it come out. This is the front, just as you see on your side by side. So the grill insert that we purchased, which you can have CNC machined by the company, as you can tell by the grooves located at the top, it only goes in one place. As you can see here and here, it only goes in one place. As you can see, there's a divider on this grill right here, and it goes on the top, and it doesn't go all the way down. So it only goes in one place. So how exactly does it go on here is pretty easy. This grill insert has 4 of these on it. So basically what we're going to do, there's 2 on each side. What we're going to do is we're going to set this in place where it goes, line it up. Once we get this thing right here lined up exactly where we're going to mount it at, we can go in here from the back side if we choose. And locate your holes here, and it comes with bolts. So you do that. We're going to run a drill through it, run the bolt through it. The bolt will come all the way through to the side out here. Then we'll tighten it up. The bolts specifically are accompanied with this specific one, have lock washers on, which are good. Don't worry about them coming off. Don't got to use any kind of sealant or anything, any Loctite to get it to stay on there. They are Allen head, but that's all right. If you don't like them, you can go get you some other ones. We'll use this as a fastener to hold the grill insert into the grill. So as you can see, this piece, this insert, as it goes onto the grill, as you can see, it moves a little bit. It would be advisable to push this all the way back as far as you could, so that way once you put your hole and stuff in, worry about hearing it rattle or anything while you're on the trail. So you can mark this any way you like. What I'm going to do is take this, make sure this pushed all the way back, take this punch right here, and then all I'm going to do, either which way, I'm going to push that down a couple times, get me a mark there, get all 4 of them, and then we'll drill them out, and then we'll be able to insert this. As you can see by using this center punch here, there's a little spot. I know exactly where I'm going to actually drill and put the fastener through here, but I got me a good spot, and I got 4 of them on all 4 of them around it, so that way I'll know exactly where it's at. Is that on the video? Nope.
Yeah, you're good.
As you see here, went all the way through. I'll do that for the remaining 4 or 3. As you can see, some of these holes right here are a little worn. Now, if you want to sand them down with a little sandpaper, scrape them off, because it's plastic, you can. This application is not really that big of a concern. It's just a grill, it's a plastic insert, but you might have to go a little bit bigger to make sure it lines up just right. Another thing, if you can get your hole started through one of these right here, then all you gotta do is just run it back the other way. But make sure you run it in the same direction. Goes that same. So when you're going to put this grill insert in, make sure that your bolts run on the inside of the grill sticking out. And here's why. So, inside out. Once you got it in there, took the hood off for ease of installation. You don't have to, but I did. So what you're going to do is make sure that it goes down in the bottom and snap in first. The top one, you'll make sure them snap in first. Then the moment we've all been waiting for. That is how you install a custom powder coated grill inside a 2020 KRX Kawasaki side by side. Guys, thanks for watching. If there's anything that I missed, could have fixed, could have done better, good, bad, ugly, let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, remember, your rig, your call.